the ZealSound microphone. And I'll tell you what, this is one heck of a mic, okay? To take it out of the box, as you see, they have it, I mean, you see they had it very well protected anyway, but they have it even more protected in the box. And as you can see, it's, again, very well protected. Pulled out like so, and there it is. You turn it up and boom. There it is, folks. There's the ZealSound mic. And what we're going to do, I got a little of my beautiful cat's fur on it. But what we're going to do here is we're going to do a sound test on this. I give you a cord in here, okay? Right here is where you put the mic. And you plug it in like so. And now you're going to take this other part, the USB in, and you can go right into the front of your computer, plugged in. And as you can see, it's lit up. You see this light bar that it has on it? That's another feature. If you go in System Settings, it'll be under Sound, okay? See, as you can see right in front of your eyes, just by plugging it in, it automatically put that as the microphone. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to test out the mic. Now that you saw me unbox it, we're going to test it out. Good thing about this is they give you a lot of good directions in the box, all right? ZealSound, plug and play, like you just saw. And, you know, in the front of it is all directions on how to hook it up. And as I showed you, it's very easy. And now these 4 settings on this microphone right here, cardioid, omnidirectional, stereo, and bidirectional. And cardioid is the most commonly used mode. All right, you can use it in most any situation. Omnidirectional, the second one, means that the microphone picks up sound equally from all directions. Stereo mode is great for capturing a realistic stereo image, you know. And then the last one is called bidirectional. All right, I'm going to do a quick test on all of them. All right, I'll start right here on bidirectional, and you tell me what you think. All right, this is a test right now of bidirectional, and we're going to see exactly how it sounds. Okay, and here's the playback on that. All right, this is a test right now, bidirectional, and we're going to see exactly how it sounds. You know, I think that sounds okay, but let's try stereo now. I kind of like stereo. Check this out. All right, now this is stereo mode, and we're going to check out how this sounds compared to bidirectional, and see what everybody thinks. And here's the playback on that. All right, now this is stereo mode, and we're going to check out how this sounds compared to bidirectional, and see what everybody thinks. And as you could tell, it's got a cool sound to it. At least I think so. This here is omnidirectional, all right? And again, this means it's supposed to pick up sound from all directions. All right, this is omnidirectional, and we're going to check this out and try it for everybody at home, see what they think about it. Here we go again now, folks. This is omnidirectional. All right, this is omnidirectional, and we're going to check this out and try it for everybody at home, see what they think about it. Now, just full disclosure, out of all of them, this is the one that I like the least. Here is the regular standard. It's cardioid, all right? And in the book here, right here on the directions, it says, cardioid is the most commonly used mode and can be used in most any situation. All right, this is cardioid, supposedly the best choice for most people with this microphone, and we're going to see what it sounds like on the playback. All right, this is cardioid, supposedly the best choice for most people with this microphone, and we're going to see what it sounds like on the playback. Folks, I'll tell you this much. I like that one, but I kind of like stereo, to be honest with you. I really don't know about you, but I like stereo. You know, I think that for some reason, I really think that sounds the best, but it's up to you. You got 4 choices. And like I showed you before, and I'll show you again very quickly, this microphone, as affordable as it is, if you look at it, this microphone, you know, it's very sturdy. It's not going to get pushed over easy. It's got a nice wide base. You know, again, it has the monitor switch down. You have your click to mute and noise reduction button. folks, they have this protective cover on here that protects the microphone. As you can see when I take it off, it looks good. I mean, I don't know what you think, what you're looking for in a mic, but it serves all my purposes. I'm going to leave this on simply because I like to protect my gear and my equipment. But there it is. You know, this is the ZealSound mic, a very good mic at a very affordable price. And if I were you and you need a mic for any reason whatsoever, I'd go out and grab one today.